You've been in a motorcycle accident in Connecticut and you are injured. Now the question is, how do we prove the other person caused your injury? Showing fault in Connecticut in a motorcycle accident is the same as showing fault in a car accident. If you'd like more information, I can give you some. Hi, I'm Erin Field. I'm a Connecticut personal injury lawyer with a statewide practice serving all of Connecticut. So here's the story. You're driving on the road and you're just having a nice day, there's no rain, and all of a sudden there's a car in front of you and you don't know how that car got in front of you, and you know that they weren't there a second ago. So that's the person who caused your injury. When you crash into their car, it kind of looks like maybe you're the one who did it, but if they cut you off, then obviously they're the one at fault. Now, what we have to prove is that that's the case. And how do we do that? Because generally what happens after an accident is, especially if somebody is injured and they're taken away in an ambulance, now the cops show up and they're cleaning up the scene, and hopefully they're making note and taking note of what they're cleaning up and where these things were located and how does it look like the accident happened. Now, cops are pretty good at this. They do it a lot. So one of the things you're going to have to do is follow up with them. Now, one of the things that could happen is they may say to you, looks like you were speeding here, and that's what the other person is saying. The other person is saying they didn't see you because you were speeding. You must have been speeding because they said they looked. Now, you know that that's not true, and you know that people say that about motorcycles all the time, particularly people who drive cars and trucks. Well, as long as you can show that you weren't doing anything wrong, that car driver, that truck driver who tried to say that you were speeding, they have to prove that you were speeding. And here's the good part. The evidence at the scene will always tell the story. It will always tell whether you are speeding or not, or whether you're doing the speed limit. It will also tell, most likely, what was that other person's level of negligence. If you'd like to know more, and you have other questions that you want to have answered, pick up the phone and give me a call. I answer people's legal questions every day, and I would love to hear from you and be able to help you out. Again, I'm Erin Field, and thank you for visiting.